Yeah, what I'll describe here is the pre and post mission maintenance that we've got for the boat, some of its special features. After each mission, what we do when we get back home again, we undo these 4 screws, remove the cap, and up the other end undo those 4 screws and remove that as well. Now that's going to vent the boat, it's going to get some fresh air in there and help evaporate any moisture in there if there is any. If there is noticed any moisture or any evaporation or anything like that in there, I've got a pump that I can put on there. The pump's made out of a couple of small computer fans. They just bolt one to each of those housings and they blow and suck air through the model, which dries it out very well. I really have only had to use it once, and that was because I'd left the couple of screws loose. But you get that. So you undo those, you vent the boat, check all the linkages on the boat. Put a dab of grease on the end of an Allen key and poke that into the slots just to keep everything nice and clean and greased. If the boat has had any problems at all while it's been on its mission, whatever the problem was is rectified as soon as I get back, because I don't have to rely on my memory then. We fix it up and away we go. After it's been vented for a while, we can then charge the batteries, or we can charge the batteries straight away, which will then put heat in there and also helps dry out the area. The charging jacks are under that cover. When you insert the charging jack, it isolates that one battery, so it only charges that one battery. When it's fully charged, the charger will indicate that it's fully charged, then you charge the other one and that gets it done. Also at the same time you check the gas. This one's empty, but if you need a full one, I've got full ones as well. Because they're clear, you can see how much is in them. I can see that that one's just about full and that one is empty. The gas bottles themselves I got from a $2 shop. So that's post-mission. Pre-mission, again, we double check everything just in case the gremlins have got in while we've been waiting for it. I lube all the push rods, lube everything that moves, then recheck the gas, recheck the batteries, recheck the operation of everything, turn the batteries off, put the lid back on, and it's ready for the mission. So when I get down to the park or to the pond, I don't have to worry about anything. All I've got to do is turn the boat on and away it goes. Now some of the special features, of course, one of the special features is the transparent gas bottle that's completely separate from any of the other areas on the boat. So if it leaks, all it's going to do is leak into the water. It's not going to affect anything because it is butane. I didn't think it was a good idea to mix butane and electric components together. The switch for it is a valve that just turns on and off. Also connected to that valve, as I mentioned before, is a pin to release the rescue buoy. The on and off switch, which is a little bit unique to this boat, is an magnetic switch, which is in the normally on state. So when I pull the magnets away from the switch, that turns the boat on. So there's no way that can turn off again, of course, until I put the magnet back there, and that turns it all off again. If when I get back, or if I want to take the whole cylinder out, I can pull that off and then use these spare magnets here to turn the unit off and make sure it stays turned off while I'm working with it. The motors have a 3-to-1 gearbox, 3-to-1 reduction. The speed control has a battery eliminating circuit on it. The servos, 2 of them are micro servos in the back and the other one's the standard size. The air pumps are good. They're 4-cylinder, they're rotary type pumps, they're very good. The twin air pumps are controlled by a servo in the bow section with 2 micro switches. It seems to work pretty good. It has given me one bit of trouble. One of the wires came off, so I might change that. Instead of the micro switches, I might get one of the upmarket radio control type switches, and that'd eliminate any other problems. Apart from that, the boat's a pleasure to drive, a lot of fun, and even when it's not in the water it still looks good on the mantelpiece. So, hope that helps.